Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's berry and custard turnovers made in the Kmart sausage roll maker. The first thing that we're going to do is make our berries, which are just frozen berries. We're going to add a great big tablespoon of raspberry jam to that, and we're also going to add a heaped dessert spoon of potato starch to that. Now that's going to thicken that. There's no need to cook it, just mix it all together so it's well combined. There's ice on those berries, that can stay there, that'll be part of the sauce. It's obviously come out of the berries anyway. Okay, now for our custard we have a tall-sided bowl. We're adding some caster sugar, some custard powder, a little dash of vanilla. Even though it's vanilla custard powder, that gets a nice flavour. 3/4 cup of milk. Now this is going to be quite thick, and we're going to cook this in the microwave. So do it 30-second increments and then just stir it. It'll get all thick and bubbly around the outside there. 30-second increments. Stirring after 30 seconds and then put it on again. Okay, after the first 30 seconds, just give it a stir, and we're going to keep going until it's nice and thick all the way through. Now, do you see what I mean around the edges here? It just gets a little bit cloddy. So just mix that right in, and that's about the thickness that it will be when it's finished. It's not going to be pouring consistency because it'll actually burst out of your pie. So it should only take a few minutes. That's 1 minute so far, and it's already got quite warm. Okay, after another 30 seconds, you can see it's gotten quite thick around the edges. It's not going to be lumpy at all. If it is too thick for your liking, just add a little bit more milk, and another 30 seconds should be all that that needs, because it will continue to cook a little bit in the pie maker. You see that? Okay, you can see now it's really quite thick, and that's the consistency that you want. If this was to set and get cold, you'd just about be able to cut that with a knife, and it's not going to get a skin on it because it's sort of the skin consistency all the way through. Okay, give this a bit more of a mix around now so that it's all combined well and truly. Don't overfill these because they will burst and make a real big messy little sausage roll maker. You can make this into a pie too if you like. Pastry, I'm just using Woolworths Puff Pastry. Make it yourself if you like. Well and truly thawed now, which is very handy. Here's our sausage roll maker. It is switched off. We are going to remove the plastic from this and put it in like I've showed you in the past. Push it into those little holes. Okay, now we're going to add our custard and our mixed berry filling. Okay, there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's berry and custard turnovers cooked in the Kmart sausage roll maker. Now they're still quite warm. Dust them with some powdered sugar or icing sugar, and using a serrated knife because that behaves a lot better with puff pastry. I will show you what they look like inside. Now you can break off those pieces around the outside. It breaks off quite easily, but it's nice and crispy. And I'll cut one open. It's set. You can see the custard in there, and the berries are all set. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Thanks for watching.